Hey everyone, it's Tdawg here with Tdawg Trading. Thanks for making me part of your day. I really appreciate the support. Today's video, I have three nice live trades for you. Option trades on the Qs, all three green. $648 in the green today. So feeling good about the journey, feeling good. I've had 2 or 3 good green days in a row, just kind of managing my risk, managing the trades, taking the right entries. I still can do a better job at taking profit at the right times and not getting so much of my green from increasing my stop losses. I need to start, taking doing a better job at taking profit. So hey, let's jump into it. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so I'm watching this 315 level. It just broke it. I'm anticipating it to hold. So I'm seeing if I'm going to see any momentum here. Since I'm kind of where I'm at, I think I'd feel more comfortable with the 316 calls versus the 315. I am very surprised at how much momentum we've gotten today. So I was really kind of expecting today to be a bigger pullback. We might see that further in the afternoon. Yeah, let's get these to the 316s. Anticipating, I'm just going to go 3 contracts here. Yeah, just anticipating. I think I'm going to jump in 70 as my stop. Probably going to regret only taking 3 contracts. Come on, let's see that push. There we go, I'm in. Movement there. Am I going to see a pullback now? I wouldn't mind seeing a pullback here and add to the position. I think, like I said, I think I gotta wish I had taken a bigger position. That's okay. Definitely a nice push. Seeing the same thing from the SPY. Yeah, I just don't really feel comfortable adding to the position here. It's about time to start taking some profit though, I think. 316.28. Or let's get this one. Still quite bullish. Is this one gonna pull back? It's looking heavy. Looking heavy. Oh, I have that limit order out. I have that limit order out. I gotta. There we go. We'll take 1 contract at 176. That's 7 cents. No, 5 cents off. 4. There we go. Got 2 contracts left. 1 off the table. Wow, this has just been. It's been pretty powerful. Come on. 6 more pennies. Ooh, there we go. 1 more left. Now where do I want to put the stop? All right, there we are. There we're out. Not a bad trade. Not a bad trade. All right, I'm ironing the Qs here. I think I want to get to 317 calls. I think we're gonna. I think we're getting ready to push here. We've just got to bleep over the higher highs. It's getting a little bit of resistance, but I like what the SPY's doing. I'm going to give it a shot here with 4 contracts. I think we're getting ready to have a good push for the upside. So if I get 316.80, all right. I like this. All right, we're in 4 contracts. Qs, 317 calls. right here at 316.61. We got in at 122. We want to see it break 316.80. Still not the best at using the TOS charts. Working on it though. All right. All right, we're above 316.80. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. Not expecting this to go past highs, just, expecting this to get some momentum up to, let's say the 317.20 range. So just want to take a little bit of profit, maybe, around that range. Come on, let's get above 317. Let's take 2 off the table here at 160. Our entry was 122. Got this. Push, 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 push. Here we go. Here we go. We should get a little that. Oh yeah, nice. 2 off the table. All right, so I'm gonna go down here and let's just align my stop. Put my 2 at this point. Even break even on these are fine. It was a nice little push. So yeah, I'll put the stop here. I'm sure I'm going to stop out, but I really should have just taken all 4 contracts off the table. All right, we're going to do a full pullback here, or are we going to push over 317.50? Yeah, we're going to pull back here. Come on, push above this. Come on. And I can cancel my stop and move it up. Yep, let's move it up. Let's take it to one. There we go. All right, we're out. Nice little $148 trade with 4 contracts. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. This thing's still pretty powerful. So I should have held on to those. About jumping back in, I've got the 318 calls pulled up. Just hit high a day. I'm waiting on the SPY to confirm. Looking at the SPY. Yeah. I think there's an opportunity for 50 or 60 cents here. See what it does. 4 contracts, 318. Here I'm a little bit in the money. I usually do not take this. This could reject pretty hard, so let's check. We just hit high a day. Let's get the push forward. SPY's doing what it's supposed to. Trap, those shorts are going to be trapped here. There we go, 318.20. Come on, keep pushing. All right, let's try to set up and where we want to take a little bit off the table. We'll take 2 here at 162. Let's take about 75% of the position off here. Let's take 3 of the 4. 10 more cents here on the option premium. 318.75 is about as far as we can top. Come on. Still need that 10 cents. Here we go. Here's a push. This is the push we needed. Right here. Right here. Come on. Push it above 318.50. There we go. There we go. Come on. Go back. Go back. We need it above 318.50. There we go. All right, 318.51 on the bid, 50 on the bid. Come on. Right around 56. There we were, almost there. Right there. Need about 3 more cents. There we go. Right here. Here's the push. Gotten to 60. Looks like we need 63. 1863. There we go. We got the 3 off. Should have taken all 4. Come on, right here. Just right here. There we go. It's a nice $196 trade on the 318 calls. That's a pretty good day. That's a pretty good day. Done by 8 o'clock. I'll take it. So at the end of the day, today was a good day. I took 3 options trades, 3 green options trades. So I'm definitely happy with the outcome. I think it's fairly, cut and dry, kind of what I was looking at each time. We saw a lot more positive upside today than I was expecting. I really, with the drawdown and how weak everything looked in pre-market, I really wasn't expecting the amount of strength that we saw, after we opened up. So, I guess at the end of the day, happy to see the outcome. So yeah. So again, if you're interested in this type of day trading content, please subscribe. If you made it this far, please press that like button. I really appreciate the help. Everyone have a great day.